South Beach diet recipes. Start losing your weight right now. The South Beach diet is a wildly popular diet, that's why this diet method recipes are so in demand. There are many delicious low-carb foods that fit on the diet. There are some recipes of this type of diet for every ethnicity of food. Read on to discover a few. The first of the South Beach diet recipes to examine is chicken marsala. Add chicken broth, minced parsley, half cup of marsala wine, olive oil, mushroom slices to boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Pound chicken between 2 pieces of waxed paper, then season it with salt and pepper. Heat the oil in a skillet and add the chicken, cook it until it's done. Cook onions and mushrooms until they're soft, then add the wine and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add some broth as liquid is needed. Cover the chicken with the sauce. It's low-calorie and low-carbohydrates, 336 calories, 3 g of carbs. Some other recipes take us to the Far East. This is Thai-style chicken salad. This one calls for a pound of chicken breasts sliced thinly, Napa cabbage, other vegetables, and Thailand fish sauce. It's very simple to make. Mix together the salad ingredients, mix together dressing ingredients, then toss them together. The calorie and carbohydrate count is 297 and 8 g respectively. Can the diet recipes take us south of the border? This recipe for fajitas includes a soy sauce, a recommendation from a cook in a Mexican restaurant. 1/2 to 2 pounds of skirt steak or chicken is cut into strips, combined with a medium onion, 2 bell peppers, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of wine juice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Marinate the meat in the liquids. Then cook on a skillet or grill, the meat first and then the vegetables. Each serving includes only 307 calories and 4.5 grams of carbs. People who follow these delicious South Beach diet recipes don't even realize they're dieting.